Hey guys, in today's video I am gonna be revealing everything about the magical Canadian tax-free account, so-called TFSA, which I have to say is one of the most powerful financial tools to save and generate tax-free income. So if you are just starting to save or planning on creating an emergency fund or planning out your retirement savings, this video is definitely for you. I will be covering all the pros and cons of a TFSA account, how you can use it and what types of investment you can hold in your TFSA, but also when you might be taxed. So make sure to stay till the end because I will be revealing my own strategy how to generate passive income from your TFSA. So, back in 2009, Government of Canada came up with a great idea to support and motivate people to start saving by creating a tax advantage account or so-called tax-free savings account. I would rather describe it as an all-purpose investment account than just a regular savings account. So the government basically wanted people to start saving their already taxed income within a tax advantage account. By using a TFSA, you are not only gaining from any immediate tax breaks as it is the case for example with your RRSP, however any income, dividends or capital gains in the future are completely tax-free. In 2021, more than 14 million Canadians had a TFSA account and that popularity is growing especially among younger ones. However, almost 90% are not using the maximum contribution room and are rather keeping cash in regular checking account. So why would you even do that? Following the published information from CRA, Canadians are keeping over $300 billion in their TFSA accounts, whereby about 33% of account holders under 40 years old. In 2022, average balance in a TFSA account in Canada was roughly $32,230. This is another sign that this phenomenal tool to grow your wealth tax-free is gaining popularity amongst the younger generation, not just us millennials. There is a certain contribution room determined every year how much you can basically add into your TFSA. If you have never had a TFSA account and you are just going to open up one this year, your total contribution room accumulated is $81,500. Simply said, you can go to your bank tomorrow, open up a TFSA account that's for free and deposit up to $81,500 in total. You can withdraw anything during this year, however, you cannot recontribute this year anymore since you have maxed out your contribution room. So, if you were born before or in 1991, you would have access to the most contribution room. Since the start of the TFSA in 2009, the total contribution limit, as I have said in 2022, is $81,500. However, if you turn 18 in 2022, for example, you would only have a contribution limit of $6,000. If you deposit $81,500 in 2 months, if you are doing multiple contributions into your TFSA or have more than one account, yes, you can have multiple TFSA accounts in different banks or brokerages. However, you can only contribute $6,000 into 2022 total into all of them combined. You can check either your recent notice of assessment when you file your taxes to see the balance, or this will tell you how much contribution room you have left over, or alternatively you can get this information once you log in into your regular CRA My Account. The last thing you definitely want is to overcontribute because Canada Revenue Agency will charge you interest on the entire excess amount you put into your TFSA. The interests are 1% per month. Yeah, that's 12% yearly until you withdraw it again. So, generally, as I have mentioned, all interests, dividends or capital gains from your TFSA are tax-free. If you invest and hold any US securities, your dividends from these stocks or ETFs might be subject to a non-resident withholding tax of 15%. This will be automatically deducted by your bank or by your brokerage before you get the actual dividends or interest. If you are holding your TFSA with a certain bank or credit union, but you have, for example, your brokerage account with another financial institution, you can also move your TFSA account to your other brokerage. There might be some fees associated with this, but otherwise you can move the account easily. One tip, before confirming the transfer, you will be asked if you want to transfer your account as cash or as is, which means you will be moving your existing holdings into your new account. So it depends on what type of investment you hold to choose the right option. To answer a common question, if you can lose your money in a TFSA account, yes, you can. The investments act in the same way as any other investment you have at your other investing account or brokerage account. And since your portfolio basically can consist of different stocks or ETFs, based on your strategy, it might be conservative or super volatile. There is a little catch here. Let's say you have contributed $15,000 in total into your TFSA and the market value of your investment drops to $40,000 and you need to withdraw your funds, so you withdraw $40,000. You can contribute it next year, however, just the equivalent of whatever you have withdrawn, which is $40,000, and it's not gonna be your initial investment or your initial contribution of $50,000. I wanna give you guys some perspective how easy you can generate passive income from your TFSA as well. Here is an overview of one of my TFSA accounts with a recent balance of $21,236. I am solely focusing this account to generate passive income. So this TFSA account is generating $220 a month of tax-free passive income. As I have explained earlier, you can either have it transferred into your checking account and enjoy the money, or reinvest it and have the compounding interests do the work for you. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Please support this video with hitting the like if you found value in it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and take care.